Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Aovowheel Y01 Electric Scooter. I have looked through the internet, checked user experiences, and reviewed real-world riding feedback to understand whether this scooter is actually worth buying or if it cuts too many corners to be reliable long-term. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is the motor setup. The Y01 comes with a 350W motor with peak power up to 700W, which places it in the typical mid-entry range for commuter scooters. In real-world use, this translates to decent acceleration for city riding and enough power to handle moderate inclines, including the claimed uphill performance. Users generally find it suitable for flat urban roads and short commutes, though like most scooters in this class, performance can vary depending on rider weight, terrain, and battery level. Speed-wise, the scooter can reach up to around 19 miles per hour under ideal conditions. This is a comfortable commuting speed for most urban environments, fast enough to reduce travel time, but still manageable for beginner riders. Many users appreciate that it feels stable at cruising speeds rather than overly aggressive, which makes it more approachable for new electric scooter owners. One of the most important aspects of any electric scooter is range, and the Y01 offers up to around 21 miles, depending on usage conditions. In real-world scenarios, this typically means a shorter range if you ride at higher speeds, carry heavier loads, or frequently ride uphill. For daily commuting, though, this is generally enough for round trips to work, school, or nearby errands without needing constant recharging. Safety features are another important highlight. The dual braking system, combining an electronic front brake with a rear drum brake, provides a balanced stopping response. In practice, this setup helps improve control during sudden stops compared to single brake systems. The addition of front and rear suspension also contributes to a more comfortable ride, especially on uneven city roads or surfaces with small bumps and cracks. The scooter also includes an integrated lighting system with a headlight and rear taillight, which improves visibility during night rides. This is an essential feature for urban commuting, as visibility plays a major role in rider safety. The solid tire design further reduces the risk of flats, which is a common concern with air-filled tires, although it can make the ride slightly less cushioned on rough surfaces. Another useful feature is the smart app connectivity. Through Bluetooth pairing, riders can access additional controls and monitoring features via their smartphone. Combined with the built-in LCD display, users can track speed, battery level, and distance in real time. In everyday use, this helps riders stay aware of battery status and ride conditions without needing guesswork. Portability is one of the Y01's strongest advantages. The folding mechanism allows the scooter to collapse in just a few seconds, making it easy to store in car trunks, carry into offices, or bring onto public transport. At around 36 pounds, it is light enough for most users to carry short distances without too much effort, which adds to its convenience factor for mixed-mode commuting. Of course, there are some limitations. Like many budget to mid-range scooters, the range and power figures are ideal conditions estimates, so real-world performance can be lower. The solid tires, while low maintenance, can make rides feel less smooth on rough roads compared to air-filled alternatives. And for riders looking for higher speeds or longer range, this may feel a bit limited. So after going through all the available information and real user feedback, would I recommend the Aovowheel Y01? Yes, especially for beginners, casual commuters, and anyone looking for an affordable and portable electric scooter for short daily travel. It offers a good balance of safety, usability, and convenience for city environments. However, if you need long-range commuting, higher top speeds, or more premium suspension comfort, you may want to consider higher-end models. So my final verdict is this. The Aovowheel Y01 Electric Scooter is a practical and beginner-friendly commuting scooter that combines decent speed, usable range, dual braking safety, app connectivity, and foldable portability, making it a solid choice for everyday urban travel and short-distance mobility.